Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the PyCaret library for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the PyCaret library, then it is a learning library that streamlines end-to-end machine learning workflows, thus enabling you to quickly build, train, evaluate, and deploy models with minimal coding. So let's see how to install this particular library. So in order to install this library, you need to head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's code and type in the following command, which is pip install pycaret. That means we will be using the pip or the pip module to install this particular library. So after you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that the downloading of the packages has been started. Once that will be completed, it will attempt to install them into the system, and once that has been done, our library will be installed into our system. So let's wait for the same. And here you can see that after the installation process, it will show us a message like this, that it has installed the extension along with the prerequisite extension and packages for the same. So now let's verify whether the extension has been installed into our system or not. So in order to do this from a new line in terminal, you need to type in the following command, which is pip show pycaret. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with the version number as well as the location of the library where it is present into my system. So that's how we can confirm that the installation has been successful and the library is installed into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.